Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a business email in Zoho Mail. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have a Zoho Mail account or subscription, and this will help you to set up a professional email for your business. So first, log into your Zoho Mail account, and once you're here, you should see something like admin console here, and then you will go to the users and then you will add user, and then after that you will enter the user's name and then your desired email address, and then you will set a password or let Zoho generate one automatically, and finally you will create user, and you will make sure to verify the domain in Zoho if this is your first business email setup. And that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.